What do crisp fruits and vegetables, sesame seeds and shiitake mushrooms have in common? They are all tooth-whitening foods that can help to keep your teeth healthy and stain-free. Your food choices affect more than your waistline. They can have a profound effect on your dental enamel over time, too. If you would like whiter teeth, the good news is that plenty of foods have the opposite effect and can help you maintain a beautiful smile. By regularly choosing healthy foods known to aid in tooth whitening, you'll smile brighter, and likely see a few pounds drop off the scale, as well. 1. Broccoli. Already touted as a miracle food for its high vitamin, fiber and calcium content, broccoli may just be a superfood for oral health, as well. An October 2010 study published in the European Journal of Dentistry by Brazilian researchers found that broccoli might be a top tooth protector thanks to the veggie's high amount of iron. The study looked at enamel erosion, which not only causes teeth to look dull and dingy but also increases the risk of cavities and decay. When teeth were exposed to broccoli extract before soda, there was less erosion of enamel. The researchers theorized that iron forms a thin coating that may protect teeth from enamel-eroding acids. If you don't enjoy broccoli, eating other iron-rich foods like spinach or liver before an acidic drink or meal may have a similar effect. 2. Carrots. Television's famous talking horse Mr. Ed got it right when he munched on carrots. That's because carrots contain vitamin A, an important component of keratin, a protein that gives your tooth enamel its protective abilities, particularly during tooth development. The crunchiness of carrots also has tooth whitening benefits. 3. Sesame and poppy seeds. While they may be small, sesame and poppy seeds can have helpful effects when it comes to keeping your teeth white. Sesame seeds are flat, oval-shaped seeds with a nutty taste. Poppy seeds can be rounded or kidney-shaped and are typically black in color when used for cooking purposes. These tiny seeds are coarse and act as natural scrubbers that can scrub plaque off of teeth when chewed, dry. Lichtung says. 4. Pineapple. While the pineapple may be a prickly fruit on the outside, getting to the sweet and juicy inside is worth the effort. Pineapples are a whitening-friendly option because they contain the enzyme bromelain. While bromelain's main function is to aid in the digestion of proteins and has also shown to be effective in reducing inflammation, the compound may also be a helpful tool in removing stains from teeth. In an August 2011 study published in the International Journal of Dental Hygiene, researchers from the Manipal College of Dental Sciences in Manipal, India, brushed teeth with bromelain and papain, found in papaya, extracts to determine the lightening effects. The researchers found the whitening substance that contained bromelain helped to remove surface stains on the teeth more significantly than the one without. 5. High-water fruits and vegetables. Healthy fruit and vegetable options such as apples, pears, cauliflower and cucumbers all help to stimulate saliva production in the mouth. Increased saliva helps to break down food particles that stick to your teeth. Saliva also washes away bacteria that can live on your teeth and cause decay that leads to tooth discoloration. Chronic dry mouth is associated with increased incidence for tooth decay. Medications for high blood pressure, antidepressants and some asthma medications can contribute to dry mouth, according to Drive. Incorporating fruits and vegetables that contain extra water can help to restore a moister dental environment. 6. Shiitake mushrooms. Frawley recommends shiitake mushrooms as a tooth whitening boosting measure because they contain a component called lentinin that prevents bacteria from multiplying and growing in your mouth. The compound has been used as a dietary supplement because of its purported benefits, including treating and preventing infections, according to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Because of the important role nutrition can play in keeping teeth healthy, Frawley collaborated with the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry to create the Healthy Smiles Cookbook, which includes a recipe for shiitake mushroom chicken with millet. A diet filled with these tooth-whitening foods can help your body and teeth stay healthy. But don't let dental care stop at the foods you eat. Good daily oral care can keep cavities at bay and give you a better cosmetic dental appearance.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.